Hi, I'm Dr. Shanaz Hanif. I own a physiotherapy clinic and exercise studio called Breathe Physio Concepts in JP Nagar 7th Place. Posture is the starting point of all the movements, and like Joseph Pilates says, a good posture can be successfully attained only when the entire mechanism of your body is under control. And why we should have a good posture? On pure aesthetic level, one, a good posture makes you look tall, sleeker and more graceful than a person who sits in a slouched posture. Second, it improves your body language. A person who is slouchy gives an impression that that person is really tired and is fed up of what he's doing and wants to hide himself. But somebody who is standing tall and confident with a good posture, it radiates confidence from her body language, and it reflects in her body language. On physical level, the one major reason of a bad posture is our lifestyle. For example, we sit for long hours on desktop, carry handbags on one side, tend to cradle a phone under your shoulders and ears. Things like this create a lot of imbalances in your musculature, and by retraining your muscles and creating a good posture, you can help a lot of and such activities create a lot of imbalances in your musculature, and these imbalances cause a lot of ailments in your body. One of the major things could be your back pain, and we could prevent back pain to quite an extent with just keeping a good posture. Have you ever tried to connect your shortness of breath with a bad posture? When you attain a good posture, your ribs open up and thereby increases the lung capacity and improves the quality of your breathing. Similarly, a good posture avoids a lot of compression being put on your intestines, which create irritable bowels, and thereby a good posture improves your digestion and movements of your bowel. When you stand, sit or lie, you should be able to attain a good posture. Whatever posture you attain, you should be relaxed in that posture. And once you let go that posture, you should check if your body is collapsing. If this thing happens, then you should start working towards your posture stability. And that's what exactly Pilates exercises help you to attain. You can check your posture by standing in front of a mirror, facing towards the mirror. In an ideal posture, your head will be in between your shoulders, where your earlobes will be equal, your shoulders will be in line, the distance between your ears and your shoulders will be aligned, your hip is going to be aligned, your kneecaps will be aligned, the muscle tone in your calf is going to be similar on both the legs, and the arches in your feet are going to be same on both the feet. When you turn to your side, your earlobes and tip of shoulders will be in line with each other. Your chest will not be popping out. It will be slightly depressed, connecting your ribs to your abs. Your arch in the lower back is going to be in moderation. Your pelvis is going to be neutral. The side of your ankle is going to be in line with your hip.